Wainscoting or wall paneling is a great looking design detail that can easily be added to your interior walls. By using real wood, you can create something decorative, beautiful, and add a lot of architectural interest to your home. In this home, the transitional decor really lends itself to showing how you can take what you might think of as a more traditional design element and give it a more contemporary look. For this project, we've chosen to work with southern yellow pine, which is a beautiful softwood species that's affordable, widely available, and best of all, it's a renewable resource, which I really love. Depending on the style of your home, you may want to consider redwood, fir, hemlock, or some other softwood species to best match your existing decor. To install wainscoting in your stairwell, here are the basic steps to follow. First, determine your finished height. Next, calculate the span you want between the vertical boards. This will determine the pattern of your wainscoting, so be sure to measure the full length of the run so you can design equal spacing. Then determine the overall height and width you'll need for the back panel. This is the main piece of wood that the vertical and horizontal pieces will attach to. Your last calculation is to calculate the height of the vertical trim pieces by subtracting the width of the top trim from the overall height. Now that the math is all done, it's time to cut the lumber. Start with the plywood, which comes in 4x8 foot sheets. Plan your cuts so that your trim pieces will hide any seams where two pieces of plywood butt together. Apply construction adhesive to the back of the plywood panels to attach them to the wall. There's no need to use nails because the vertical and horizontal trim pieces will be nailed against this, and that'll hold everything firmly in place. Next, cut your horizontal and vertical pieces to size and dry fit them. Assuming everything has been measured correctly, this should be a fairly simple process. Using a trim gun, nail your pieces to the wall. The final touch is to attach a smaller profile piece of trim to the top of the horizontal pieces. This gives the wainscoting a professional, finished look. Once all the wood is installed, you're ready to finish it, and we stain this wainscoting to match the existing hardwood floors for a consistent look. Give the wood a light sand and then wipe it down with a rag to remove any dust. Apply the stain in the direction of the grain and wipe up any drips as you go. Add as many coats as you want until the wood is the exact tone that you like. Naturally stained wainscoting looks so great running the length of a staircase, and it's the perfect addition for a transitional style home. For more information on projects like this, visit woodnaturally.com.